To register on the platform, you can follow these steps. Use the registration menu, choose the first menu item. Read the guide and instructions and click to register now. When you go through this process, make sure to complete all the information. Choose your username. If it shows you that it has already been taken, you will have to choose another username. The green tick indicates that it is available. Choose your password. Capture your email address. Title, first name, and if you have an ID number, South African ID number, put it in or tick no RSA ID number. Continue to the next page. Complete the necessary information. The only mandatory information is the cell phone number. Go through and choose your primary contact. This is your customer representative. So the person you have a relationship with in the organization. Choose from the drop-down list. Agree to the online registration, which is the terms and conditions of use of the product. If you select no, your registration will be cancelled. Scroll down, confirm that your information is correct. If you'd like to make any changes, you may do so. If not, agree. You are now registered. Here we go.